In this video, I'll show you how to download Netflix movies and shows on your PC or laptop. To download movies and shows from Netflix on your Windows PC, you'll need to use the official Netflix app if your device supports downloads. You can't download content through a web browser. First, close your web browser. Then open the Microsoft Store by searching for it from the Windows search bar. If you're not already signed in, click your profile icon in the top right corner and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create one for free. Once you're signed in, use the search bar to look for Netflix. If the Netflix app is available for your version of Windows, open its page and click Install or Get. After the installation is complete, launch the app. Sign in to your Netflix account using your email address and password. Then select your profile. Browse or search for the movie or TV show you want to download. If the title supports downloads, you'll see a Download button next to the movie or individual episodes. Click the Download button to start downloading the content. After the download is complete, open the Download section in the Netflix app to watch your downloaded movies and shows offline. Keep in mind that not every title is available for download, and download support depends on your Netflix plan, your device, and the version of the Netflix app you're using. And that's how you can download Netflix, movies, and shows on your PC or laptop.